really why you sent me in? I mean, were you thinking
I
of
was
us somewhere
hoping.
in the back of your mind?
I was
I would
thinking.
mishandle that and it would lead to something terrible.
I thought this Bulvan will walk in there, and in 2 minutes she'll be out in the hub. That's what I thought.
Hey, come on, man!
Not like that, idiot!
You got something you want to say to me, cuntface? Huh?
Hey, look, I'm sorry. I didn't see you pull out. I'm sorry.
Learn to fucking drive, fuck.
Honking's very dangerous.
Yeah.
I try never to honk.
Right.
Only in dire
So
emergency.
you just wait.
Yeah.
Someone's in front of you. The light is turned.
Yeah.
Nothing.
No,
You just sit
I mean,
behind him and wait.
Yeah.
Can you do a little?
The gentle honk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The throat clear.
The most I can
Yeah.
do is a gentle honk. Exactly.
Yeah.
Hello. Excuse
Do
me.
you have that
Yeah.
technique?
I do a great excuse me.
It's a language.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. By the way, how many napkins does a